Marcel Este with Submar. So we got something really cool to show you. Let's check it out. So what we have here is an augmented reality sandbox, which will demonstrate a typical Submar project. So here we have a mountain, and when we have normal rainfall over the mountain, the rain will run off down into the stream, normal flow, everything's okay. But we don't design for a normal rainflow event. We do design for something when something catastrophic is going to happen. So we'll make a pond or a lake or a reservoir over the mountain. We'll go ahead and create a rain cloud, fill up that lake with water, and then we'll have a flash flood event, whether it be rapid snow melt, hurricane, strong thunderstorm, which will create a large water event. So now we have a large rush of water. Whenever we have a large rush of water coming down a small stream, we have a lot of velocity. With that velocity, it will cause a lot of erosion. So this stream banks will cause a lot of erosion. It will carry sediment, sand, silts, clay downstream, which will degrade the bed and could possibly expose pipelines. So here we have two exposed pipelines. And whenever this happens, this is what Submar specializes in. The operator will call Submar, will come out, survey the area, and then put together an engineered solution to mitigate this situation. So the first thing we'll do typically is we'll grade the area with an excavator, recreate that same pre-construction or pre-erosion condition. But we can't just leave it like this, because if another rainfall event comes, it will erode away. So we will then install geotextile material over the freshly graded area, and then we will install our articulating concrete mattress. This concrete mattress is 8 foot by 20 foot by 4.5 inches thick. It's held together by a polymer rope, which will allow it to articulate to the on-site condition. So now this will serve two purposes. The soil over the pipeline is protected from future erosion, and the concrete mattress will protect the pipeline from anything that will be coming downstream, rocks, boulders, other debris that could damage the pipeline. So now when we have rainfall, the water will flow over the mats and not directly over the pipeline, where the pipeline is now protected.